I mean, if you're really purpose driven, like one of our core values is like purpose driven greatness, like you got to be able to look at the bigger picture and think long term. It's not just about getting a return in the short term. It's like, how do I build something that's going to last long term? And how do I create these relationships that we don't know where they're going to go? Maybe 1 or 2 years down the line, an opportunity presents itself that never would have been presented to you if it wasn't for that initial relationship and that initial contact.